The recommended way to disinfect equipment is using a solution of 70% alcohol applied with a clean cloth or using pre-moistened alcohol towelettes. However, it is very difficult to acquire these products today. So what we're going to go through is a process using dish soap on how to clean the electronics equipment, as well as the foam pieces and headbands. So the following video only covers cleaning of the Honeywell voice devices, the Talkman devices, such as the A700, the A500, T5, T2X, as well as the SRX wireless headset and headband, or the wired SR series headbands. The video will show the cleaning of the actual electronics equipment. However, just please note that you can also use the same process to clean the foam pieces, the mic caps, as well as the headband itself in a solution of dish soap. Before attempting to clean any other electronics devices, please check with the manufacturer to see if they are sealed and rated to accept the moisture that will be applied with this process. So some of the tools you'll need to get started is dish soap. We recommend Dawn dish soap, paper towels, 2 bowls, one for the soapy water and one for clean water, a measuring cup, a quarter teaspoon, and a drying rack to let the equipment dry. It is important to let the equipment dry completely before inserting a new battery and starting the next shift. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is start with clean hands. And you're going to fill up one of the cups with 3 cups of warm water and use about a quarter teaspoon of Dawn dish soap. So you want to pour that into the water and mix it around a bit to get it in solution. And then you're going to want to have another bowl of just warm water to rinse off afterwards. So you start with the device, make sure the battery is completely removed. You get a paper towel and you're going to get it soapy, dunk it in the soapy water, wring it out, and then proceed to wipe down all the surfaces of the device, paying special attention to the buttons and anywhere where they may be holding on to the device during usage. You'll want to stay away from the battery contacts if possible and get everything nice and soapy. You want to be careful not to use too much soap in your water solution because that can create a little bit more of a mess. Then you're going to take a clean paper towel that's just moistened with water and rinse it off and then put it in the drying rack. Same process is true holds for the A700 series devices. One thing to note with the A700 devices, if there are any issues, say the button has an issue and is broken, and you can actually get liquid in there, just make sure when you're cleaning it that the button is facing down. So you don't want water getting into that compartment if you can avoid it. So just keep the actual scanner button on the A730 and A730X devices facing down as you're cleaning it. And again, once rinsed off, put that in the drying rack. Now for headsets, you'll want to, again, make sure the batteries are removed. This is the SRX2 headset. and cleaning the electronics module, it follows the same process. So you want to make sure you get all the buttons and the microphone boom and rinse as well. Now keep in mind you can wash the headband and microphone caps using the soapy water solution. And again, you'll want to rinse that and also let those dry out completely as well. When washing the headsets, again, you want to make sure you're washing all of the surfaces of the headset. You do want to take care not to get the microphone and speaker area too wet. Those are generally covered with microphone caps and whatnot. And also, these are not rated to be completely submerged, which is why we are using a wet paper towel to wipe these. So that's the process for cleaning your voice equipment using dish soap. You'll want to do this between all shifts. Make sure that after you perform this cleaning process, you wash your hands following the recommended guidelines for washing your hands, and clean up all of the equipment you used and wash that completely as well. Okay, that's it for this video. Please stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you next time.